कहीं पहुंचने के लिए कहीं से निकलना तो पड़ता है, तो आज शुरुआत करें वैसे। हेलो गाइज, वेलकम टू दिस एपिसोड ऑफ मार्केट क्या लगता है। हाउ इज मार्केट, क्या ट्रेंडिंग मार्केट है। एंड इस ट्रेंडिंग मार्केट में ट्रेडर्स आर मेकिंग अमेजिंग काइंड ऑफ प्रॉफिट्स और बहुत ज़बरदस्त ROI के ट्रेड्स यहाँ पे अवेलेबल हो रहे हैं। व्हाट एन अमेजिंग वीक दिस हैज़ बीन। हम मार्केट के बारे में बात करेंगे, इस स्पेसिफिक वीक के बारे में भी बात करेंगे, बट लेट अस स्टार्ट फ्रॉम लास्ट वीक समरी। हाँ, लास्ट वीक की समरी से शुरू करते हैं। जो व्यू हमारा था लास्ट वीक इन मार्केट क्या लगता है, वी हैड टॉक्ड अबाउट अ रेंज बिटवीन 14,800 टू 14,500 और अगर 14,500 के नीचे मार्केट जाएगा तो हमने एक बेरिश टारगेट को कैलकुलेट किया था। मंडे को ही हमारा एक गैप अप के साथ मार्केट ने ज़बरदस्त बुलिश एक्शन दी और 14,800 को कंस्ट्रक्टिव वे से ब्रेकआउट कर दिया, राइट। सो मार्केट वाज बुलिश फॉर द एंटायर वीक। सिमिलरली फॉर बैंक निफ्टी एज वेल 32,500 टू 32,000 का रेंज था। 32,500 वाज ब्रोकन ऑन द फर्स्ट डे, सो द रैली वाज अमेजिंग। ऑल्सो मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली मैंने कहा था, इन करंट चॉपी मार्केट कीप स्मॉल पोजिशंस टू मैनेज द ट्रेड्स एंड इमोशनल्स वेल। अब ये मैसेज जब शेयर किया था वहाँ से लेके आज के दिन तक, व्हेन वी लुक एट दिस एंटायर प्रोसेस, एंटायर मार्केट का मूव एनालिसिस स्टडी के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से जब देखते हैं, सो ओवरऑल एक्शन इज अमेजिंगली बुलिश। हाँ, एक एक्सपेक्टेशन है कोई भी और उस एक्सपेक्टेशन के साथ मार्केट की जो मूवमेंट है वो बहुत अमेजिंग तरीके से जाती हुई दिखाई दी। व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट मार्केट क्या लगता है एंड माई मैसेज फॉर द डे, this is my message for the day. Broadly we are in a weekly correction. The price move is sideways to bearish so far. Nifty currently in a range of 15,000 and 14,800. This was my today's range for Nifty, and Bank Nifty appears bearish than Nifty. Range looks like 33,500 and 33,000. Bank Nifty ने आज बुरा मान लिया, right, and it was a ferocious kind of a rally today. We may see a bounce till 15,000 for Nifty and 33,600 for Bank Nifty. ये मेरा इनिशियल एक व्यू था आज के दिन के लिए, और वहाँ से आगे का जो भी व्यू है, प्लान है, वो तैयार होगा, राइट। Yesterday we saw the market bias was bearish, yet there was a lack of momentum, so option sellers benefited with the move. ये पूरे प्रोसेस में consistently I am hammering with the fact process that we have to focus on option selling and option selling is the way to go going forward, और वैसे ही हमारे लिए ये सब चीज़ें प्रॉफिटेबल होगी, राइट। आज SBI के रिजल्ट थे, सो SBI को लेकर भी मैंने कुछ मैसेजेस पोस्ट किए थे। देयर वर लॉट मेनी ट्रेडर्स हु वर ट्रेडिंग SBI टुडे। सी, जब हम व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट SBI स्पेशली, सो माय मैसेज फॉर SBI वाज, on a result day, SBI generally react or exhibit volatility. Keep this in mind. Limit order for exit always help. So you have to have a plan. Okay, what should be your exit criteria? What should be your exit price? And you looking at those exit price, you can just take the trades ahead. So here Aarti talking about planning to book 70% and hold 30% is what something she was saying. And then looking at the volatility, see Madhav booking their profit. He just booked some profit in SBI, and from there then there was a shakeout in SBI. So Aarti had booked at around 391 at that point in time, right? So she exited timely, and then there were so many traders who were trading SBI. Kamal was trading SBI. Kamal का trade अच्छा था. And then even Ajay joined hands. So Ajay was trading in SBI options. So he bought around some 12 rupees and exited around some 24. So that's a 100% ROI in a very short span of time. So these kind of moves people keep on taking on a expiry day on this on this quarterly result day. These kind of actions are always there, and you know, while we are in the group is chattering, discussing about this entire process, about the results, about the price action, about the movement, and this actually instill a lot of confidence in participants' mind. That's the whole purpose of this group and whole structure of this group is designed in that manner. Now let's coming back to weekly chart of Nifty, and as you can see, a very strong solid little above 3% bullish candle in Nifty. We can see a weekly candle here, and then quickly we can go and check weekly candle. I had my range which I had drawn in the previous week. Now this range was broken in the first candle itself. So there was no looking back. On this day, this was an amazing trending day, just like this day. So these 2 days have made this week amazingly special. So fantastic week this was. Now after this, once it is broke out of the range and it is right now at this bullish level. So what should be the next target, right? Nifty के लिए अगला target क्या हो सकता है? We'll just calculate using this Fibonacci tool, and if I plot this on this low and take it on the high, naturally the target that I'm looking at will be 15,285. So this 15,285 is the target that I'm looking at. Now what I'm going to do is 15,200 is the level, and also we have a support. We have a strong support at 15,000 level. So this automatically will become a range, a target of 15,285, or let's say 15,300, and this 15,000 mark as a support. So this is going to be a range, and naturally if this range is broken on either side, then that will be an amazing kind of a move. Again, that will be a breakout kind of a thing. So instead of keeping it 285, I'll make it 15,300, and this will be 15,000. So this is how we are going to look at the range for this week, and this is the target, first target. And I'm using this target as my hourly target. 15,285 is the target. This is my hourly target. Cool. So this is what it is for Nifty, and this is the range. Now let us understand clearly the action which is above the price above 15,100 is little overwhelming for me. I was not under impression that Nifty will move up above 15,100, and now that it is above 15,100, it is essential for Nifty to sustain at those levels. So come Monday, and what is there in store for us, that is far more important. This target is there in front of us, but then once this target is getting completed, it will be very prudent, imminent to see whether Nifty break above 15,300 or break below 15,000. So ये एक interesting part रहेगा. We are going to look at or focus only on this target 15,285 for this week, right? And let us quickly move on to Bank Nifty. So when we are talking about Bank Nifty, the Bank Nifty candle for this week is stunning 7.5% candle, 7.5% move this has given in Bank Nifty. And if we look at the entire chart of Bank Nifty, if we go quickly on hourly chart, the structure is very similar to what we are seeing in Nifty. So this is the base that has been formed. Yeah. So this is the base that has been formed, and from this base, this was our range for the previous week. Now, if you look at this, the simple method to calculate target here for Bank Nifty would be to calculate from this low to this high. Okay, so we are almost near this target. We have just reached to this target already. There is one more way of calculating target. Then we'll take this base into consideration and this first high, and then naturally it will give us rally of this second high. So again, the target, if we calculate using this low to this high, so the target that we are looking at here is 35,340. So Bank Nifty, and this is hourly target. So the target that we are looking at 35 342. Cool. Let's just coordinates adjust कर लेते हैं. So this is the target that I'm looking at in case of Bank Nifty. Now this is again 34,893 is also one important Fibonacci level, and when we are looking at this current prices, so the range that we can see is between 34,500 to 35,000. Okay. So 34,500 to 35,000 is the range which is emerging now, and in coming week, now this coming week again will be a very interesting kind of a week that we are going to see. And once Bank Nifty breaks above this range is pretty interesting, because right now we saw that one Fibonacci target got completed, and because this target is getting completed, this zone becomes little vulnerable, right? So you have to be cautious. Don't consider कि आज का market bullish है, then it will be a bullish bias on Monday as well. Take it with little pinch of salt. Be little cautious. And these are the targets that we are looking at. Not very aggressive kind of targets, but more importance will always be on this range. So don't forget to draw this range on your charts. Keep this handy, and this will give you a very clear directional idea or a signal about breakout or breakdown. Cool. So I believe you must have enjoyed this video. If you have liked the way we are studying, analyzing, if it is helping you, do write to us in comments. Let us know how do you see this analysis part, and also do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next week with a similar kind of a video. Wish you a very happy trading. I'm signing off. Thank you so much.